Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to talk about the differences between Nokia 7.1 and Nokia 7 Plus smartphones to give you a quick idea about the basic differences between these two devices, and if you have Nokia 7 Plus, then whether you should upgrade to Nokia 7.1 or not. So let's start it. So first of all, let's start with hardware. Nokia 7.1 comes with Snapdragon 636 processor along with Adreno 509 GPU, while Nokia 7 Plus comes with Snapdragon 660 processor along with Adreno 512 GPU. So in terms of CPU and GPU, Nokia 7 Plus is still a bit better compared to Nokia 7.1. Talking about the display, Nokia 7.1 comes with 5.84-inch Full HD Plus display along with HDR10 support and a notch, while Nokia 7 Plus comes with 6-inch Full HD Plus screen and there is no notch provided. So Nokia 7.1 has a smaller screen, and because of that the PPI is more on this device, and as I said, it supports HDR10 content as well. Also, the screen to body ratio of Nokia 7.1 is better compared to Nokia 7 Plus. But Nokia 7 Plus has a bigger screen, and if you do not like notches, then Nokia 7 Plus is a better option for you. Talking about the design, Nokia 7.1 has a very premium design. It comes with aluminum body and the glass back panel that looks really beautiful. There is also a shiny strip provided on the edges of the device that gives a very premium look to Nokia 7.1. While Nokia 7 Plus comes with a full metal body, there is no glass on the back side, so the device is more sturdy and less fragile compared to Nokia 7.1. But Nokia 7.1 has more premium look and design. Also, because of the smaller size, Nokia 7.1 is a bit lighter compared to Nokia 7 Plus. Talking about the camera, Nokia 7.1 comes with 12 plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera setup, and Nokia 7 Plus comes with 12 plus 13 megapixel dual rear camera setup. The 5 megapixel secondary camera on Nokia 7.1 is just depth sensor, while the 13 megapixel secondary camera on Nokia 7 Plus is a depth sensor that also works as a telephoto lens. So the Nokia 7 Plus comes with 2x optical zoom, and that feature is not available on Nokia 7.1. Nokia 7.1 comes with 8 megapixel front facing camera, and Nokia 7 Plus comes with 16 megapixel front facing camera. We will do a camera performance comparison of these two devices very soon, so do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification as soon as the video is uploaded on this channel. And the last difference is in terms of battery capacity. Nokia 7.1 comes with 3060 mAh battery, and Nokia 7 Plus comes with a bigger 3800 mAh battery. So these are the basic differences between Nokia 7.1 and Nokia 7 Plus smartphones. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.